Welcome, chili heads, to another episode of Spirituality Through Capsaicin. I am your host, Omelet 24/7, and today we got an unboxing from Townshead Chili and Spice out of Palm Beach, Florida. But yes, this is the first of the fresh ones because I found my key if y'all been watching. This is a real cool unboxing because he creates a lot of cool stuff. And I ordered some seeds. That's pretty cool. Tape, looks like leaves and all that. Let's see. Show you what I got. That's pretty cool. We got the Papa Peach Stripey ML. I'm not sure what ML means. We have Tiger Jalapeno. And we also have Corvinas. And we also have, this is the one I wanted, the black Medulla gum. That's the one I really wanted. It's cool how it's red. It's like you knew that's the one I wanted. Then we got the Anunnaki Intergalactic Red. I will post a better recording. I think I'm about to give up on live. Then we have Intergalactic. And then Boot Jalokia Purple Peach. I also wanted that one too. That's purple on the inside. What's up, Jacob? Just doing a little unboxing. It's a pretty cool unboxing. Look at all those seeds. So thank you, Brian. It's gonna be a pretty cool grow season this year, hopefully. More of life on life's terms and wreckage of the past. Very excited to grow those, but I'm also very excited because we finally get some peppers. Now I wanted to do a test. Let's see. Go ahead and give you, wow, loaded, holy cow. Check all those out. Hold on, holy cow. Wow. That is awesome. You could fit a flat rate box in there. Thank you. That is awesome. But anywho, they are, wow, that's a cool looking one. Got a bunch of bubble gums. Look at that guy. Let's see. Immediately hot. This is the first burn of the day. That is very floral. Holy cow. Wow, I don't know what that is, but that's super hot if you couldn't tell. Chewy. Wow. Hold on. Wasn't really prepared for that. Very beautiful pods. Shoo! Wow. That one was floral. We got a bunch of little baby ones. Already got a nose drip. So those are hot. It's not just the first burn of the day. Go ahead and eat this guy. I don't think that one's as hot. Wow. I think we'll just do the live for fun and then have the main one for editing and get people to join. Crying out my nose and my starting to cry out my eye. I wanted to eat a couple and then do a little, see if this afterburn timer works. Wow. And we'll do one more of these little bubble gummies. Something looks a little wrong with that one. Hold on. Nope.